Video.
Can you tell me about
I want
where we are?
a video.
Can you look at the camera and tell me where we are?
Video.
Yes.
I want it to be a video. If I do this, can it be a video after?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello. Today it is so super sad. There is a cool water slide right there, but sadly it is closed.
Yeah.
That pool looks so fun. And they have a kiddie pool and a hot tub. And it is all closed for repairs.
Where are we? Do you know where we are?
Hey, do you know one thing that I know?
Do you know where you are, though?
Everybody, put it in the comics if you know where.
The comments?
We're at North Carolina. Who guessed that? Did you guess that? Great.